Hey, if you wonder how can you use sound equalizer on the Redmi Buds 4 Active, unfortunately this function is not available in the Xiaomi earbuds application, but you can still use it by entering settings of your phone, or for example changing the equalizer settings on your streaming services. So in my case, in my Pixel 7 Pro, there's like no sound equalizer, but still I can open the YouTube Music. I'm just using it as a streaming service. I can click on the right upper corner, go into the settings. Now I can go into the playback, go into the equalizer, and from here I can just turn it on and adjust some features. If you have, for example, the Samsung phone or Xiaomi 4, Redmi, Poco, or Realme, you can actually find in the settings this equalizer. So all you have to do is just to go to the settings and go into the search bar and input, for example, this phrase equalizer, or for example sound EQ. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.